Hello, and welcome to Tech Classes with the Houston Public Library. I'm Jonathan, and today I'll be guiding you through email basics. Email allows you to send and receive messages to and from anyone, anywhere in the world with an email address. Email is accessible from anywhere you would find an internet connection or Wi-Fi, and is an easy-to-use tool for quick communication. It can be sent, delivered, and read almost immediately. And the greatest feature is that it is free. By the end of today's lesson, you will learn what email is and how to pick an email service provider, how to fill out an online form, the difference between usernames and addresses, how to organize your email, send and delete emails, and how to attach a file. Email, short for electronic mail, is one of the most widely used features of the Internet. Email is an electronic way to send or retrieve personal and/or business-related messages, including text and pictures. Think of email like the postal service. To receive emails, you will need an email account and an email address. This is similar to your mailing address where you receive letters. Traditional mail can take at least a couple of days to be delivered or longer, where email is delivered instantly or within a few minutes. Next, let's talk about webmail providers. Today, the top 3 webmail providers are Yahoo, Microsoft's Outlook.com, previously Hotmail, and Google's Gmail. These providers are popular because they allow you to access your email account from anywhere with an internet connection. You can also access webmail on your mobile device. No matter which email service you choose, you'll need to learn how to interact with an email interface, including the inbox, sent, and compose feature. Depending on the email provider, the interfaces may look and feel different, but they all function in essentially the same way. This tutorial will teach you on how to create a Yahoo email. To begin, we need to open the internet browser and type yahoo.com into the internet address bar. You will then be taken to the Yahoo website. In the top right corner of the web page, you need to click on the mail icon. After that, you can click on Sign Up or Create Account. You will need to fill out the online form with your personal information. Some information that will be needed is your name, date of birth, and phone number. You will also need to create a password for your account. Choosing a strong password is important. Make sure your password has a capital letter, some numbers, or is a mix of words not related to your username or ID. Some good tips on creating an email account. Make sure you write down your username and password to not forget. Make sure to create a username that is neutral but relevant and easy to remember. Also, don't forget to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Now that you have an email, we need to understand the difference between usernames and an email address. To receive emails, you will need an email account and an email address. Also, if you want to send emails to other people, you will need to obtain their email addresses. It's important to learn how to write email addresses correctly, because if you do not enter them exactly right, your emails will not be delivered or might be delivered to the wrong person. Email addresses are always written in a standard format that includes a username, the @ symbol, and the email provider's domain. If I use the example email, johndoe@yahoo.com, John Doe would be my username, and yahoo.com is my email provider. Yahoo email uses certain terms that you will need to understand before using your email. Here are some examples of different email interfaces from Yahoo. The inbox is where you'll view and manage the emails you receive. Emails are organized with the name of the sender, the subject of the message, and the date received. The sent folder shows outgoing mail. It has mail that you have sent to other people. Spam shows advertisements or unwanted mail. Trash contains emails that you have deleted. Contacts lists the email addresses of friends, family, and others that you have saved. Your email also has a search box to find lost or hard to find emails. To use this feature, just click inside the search box and type the name of the person or topic of the email to locate that email. Reading new email. If you have unread emails, they will appear in bold. To view a list of your emails, click on Inbox. All of your mail, unread and read, will appear here. To open an email, click on the line of the email you wish to read. Sending an email. To send an email, you first need to click on Compose. A basic email includes 3 parts: a recipient address in the To box, a title in the subject box, and a message. 2. This area contains the email address of the people you are sending the email to. You will need to type the email address for each recipient. If you have multiple recipients, you'll need to separate each email address with a comma. Subject should state what the email is about. Keep the subject brief, but give the recipients a summary of what's in the message. Message. The body is the actual text of the email. Generally, you'll write this just like a normal letter, with the greeting, 1 or more paragraphs, and a closing with your name. After you have filled out all these areas, you can now send your email by clicking Send. Deleting an email. Deleting an email is simple. To delete an email message, click on the checkbox next to the email that you want to remove. Note: you can delete several emails at once by selecting multiple checkboxes. Then click on the Delete button to delete the selected email. This email will be moved to your trash folder. You can always go to your trash folder and retrieve anything you have accidentally deleted. However, once you empty your trash folder, the emails inside are gone for good. Our last task is to attach a document to an email. The paperclip is the symbol for attaching content to your email, such as PDFs or images. After clicking on the paperclip, an Explorer box will open to help you locate the content you want to be attached. Let's try to use the Attach feature. Open your email. Select Compose or New. Click on Attach or the paperclip. It will open the menu of your computer. Select the item. Click Open. Make sure you have an address in the To box and a subject. Write the rest of your message. Be sure to remind your recipient that you have attached the document to the email. Click Send. Congratulations! You are now ready to start communicating with friends and family through email. If you're interested in learning more, check out our full list of classes. If you're looking to expand your learning with more advanced courses, you can access lynda.com with your MyLink card. Use your MyLink card number and PIN to log in and start learning today. If you need help getting started, call 832-393-1313 to speak with one of our friendly and knowledgeable librarians.